Catherine, you talked about a lot of interesting things and a solemn reminder that we're not doing IT for IT's sake. 3 years from now, there's going to be a lot more IT out there, a lot more widgets.
A lot more AI.
What's the state of the state at that point? What's the focus going to be?
I mean, I see AI continuing. It's not going
Hmm.
away. I've
Right.
used it for years as predictive analytics on websites and other types of things. So the machine learning is there. The models exist. But where we're at is as we move from more like what I like to call reactive medicine, right? Going into the doctor because you're sick to a predictive medicine, as a number of our colleagues on here have talked about. We're taking that information and we're moving it closer to the people that are making the decisions, trying to remove the friction from the workflows. But what that means is just like Pat talked about not being able to bolt cyber on after the fact, we need to have governance in AI as part of the workflow and as we're moving forward. So I think that where we're going to be in 3 years and what we're going to see over the next few years is including governance early as a design philosophy. So humans are in the lead. We're using AI, we're having transparency. It's not this black box AI that people used to think of when they thought about clinical decision support. And it was like this black box of things that you didn't know what was going on. We're now taking all of that information. We're just like you see using large language models that you have now, where you have the recommendation, the data, the confidence level, right? All of those things come through when you use a large language model in your everyday life, starting to bring that into that healthcare workflow so that the people who are making the decisions can have those predictive types of analytics that are there based off of decisions that were made in the past, but can still have the ability to use the human brain to make the final decision. So how do we make, again, removing the friction, making our jobs easier, bringing all of that data to the forefront so that we can move faster?